It's Valentine's Day, and besides all the chocolate and flowers, the best way to a man's heart, or really anyone's, is through their stomach. So I figured I'd share a recipe for our homemade cheese biscuits. If these don't make them fall in love with you, what will? We start off by mixing together some flour, shredded cheddar cheese, a bit of sugar, and some salt. Now we cut in some vegetable shortening using a pastry cutter, or you could use 2 forks. And if you're not familiar with this, what it does is it creates almost a crumbly mixture that will make our biscuits nice and flaky. We add some buttermilk to this. And when the dough comes together, we knead it for a bit before rolling it out. Since it's Valentine's Day, I'm using a heart-shaped cutter, but you can use a biscuit cutter or even a drinking glass. After these get baked, which takes just a few minutes, the whole house smells warm and inviting. And when that special someone takes their first bite, they'll fall in love with how flaky and tasty they are. The recipe for our Hearty Cheese Biscuits is online now. Believe me, when you bake something homemade for Valentine's Day, there's nothing better. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a loving way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mm-hmm.